Officer, never compare love stories.
Why?
Every nest is built different. Officer, I have a serious question about love.
That sounds dangerous.
If I propose, do I need permission from the chief or just snacks?
Definitely snacks first.
Good. I am prepared. Officer, why are you smiling at him?
We are just talking.
Talking looks very friendly.
Oh my god.
Officer, am I cute or not?
I do not know. Ask your fans.
My boss does not love me. What more can I expect from someone else? Officer, why humans fight in love?
Because feelings are messy.
Birds scream once and share seeds.
That sounds simpler.
Try it. Less drama. Officer, final rule.
What is it?
Laugh together or fly away.
I like that rule.
Officer, never check phones too much.
Why not?
You might find nothing and panic anyway.
It's true.
Peace is attractive. Never find...
I want a supervisor.
For what reason?
My dignity feels threatened.
You serious?
Very serious.
Write it down. Typing.
Did you bite?
Only legally.
You got consent? Take your hands off me.
I have not touched you.
I know my rights.
There's the bird.
Call my lawyer. Call my lawyer.
You talking to us?
Yes. Okay.
All right, sit still.
Officer, please tell Facebook people to stop scrolling when they see me.
Why are you hurting like this?
They watch me but never like or share.
That means you need support.
Yes, I just need likes and shares.
Okay.
Officer, love is teamwork.
Like police work.
Yes, one watches, one trusts.
And who leads?
Whoever brings snacks. Why do you laugh more at his jokes?
He is funny.
I am funnier. Case closed.
How about now, marry me?
No. You carry more forms and emotions.
Forms keep things clear.
I need love, not a filing cabinet.
How was your date last night?
Terrible. She talked more than me.
So you left?
I need silence to stay handsome.
Oh, man.
You're definitely the quiet type.
All right, feathered friend, why weren't you home last night?
Ask your husband. You know,
Oh, no way.
Kelly's been back.
Uh-huh, we'll see about that.
All right, feathered friend, tell me where you were last night.
I went to your husband's house, same as always.
Oh, no. Excuse me?
What? Why are you looking at me like that? You asked. I answered.
Lord have mercy.
I'm gonna need a minute.
Why don't you give me a pen?
He needed it.
I also need attention.
Love it.
Come here, you drama king.
Justice restored. So, why weren't you at home last night, huh?
Your husband took me for ice cream.
He did he?
I ate it too.
You're not helping your case, buddy. All right, big guy, got anything to say for yourself?
Lesson 1, talk less, listen more.
Oh yeah, and who gave you that lesson?
Your ex.
Officer, if someone likes you, they will stare.
Who stares at me?
Me, every day. Bold little thing.
That parrot is bold.
Do you like my new lipstick?
It looks like you've been a tomato.
It's trending.
It's trending for the wrong reasons.
Oh, you little savage.
You talk too softly.
Oh my. You're killing me.
Next time I will handle the delivery.
Oh, I'd pay to see that.
Why did you smile at that man outside?
He only asked for directions.
Directions to what? Your heart? Ha! Come on! I'm watching you.
Do you like my new ringtone?
I thought an ambulance was reversing.
It sounds modern.
It scares pigeons from 3 blocks away. You called him handsome yesterday.
I did not.
My ears are premium.
Oh, I never said that.
Handsome is my job.
You're ridiculous.
You clean this every day?
I do.
Good. I judge officers by badge shine. Ha!
I'll keep that in mind.
You're impossible.
You spin that thing too much. Spin me instead.
Oh, really?
More fun.
All right, superstar. Come here.
15 seconds of premium attention.
You got it.
How many mornings? It would be every morning.
That simple?
Yes, I have natural sunshine.
Oh, wow.
Ah! They're too much. Oh no, she is mine. 15 seconds rule. Only she can look at me. Oh.
He's serious.
Stop, you're gonna make me drop him. You opened it without telling me.
Oh, did I?
Snacks make you happy. I also make you happy. Share both.
All right, here you go.
15 seconds of snack and love complete.